Did it. Now she's going to try and pick it up. Okay, pick it up. Got it? Almost as big as you are. Okay, now what?
I'm going to drop it on you.
Go to a dry place.
No, come here.
No, I want to get the whole thing.
I want you to come here.
Why?
It's wet over there. I can't drop it by you. It's wet.
I want to get it on the tape here. Okay.
Drop it.
On a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Don't throw it.
Yeah, I am. Wait, let's do it on the grass.
No, I want to see the splash.
Did you see that? What's that? We didn't put too much water in it. Too much little water.